So, Your Majesty, Queen Mary of Denmark, can I thank you very much for coming to Nairobi and for coming here at this time of the United Nations Environment Assembly. You are the patron of biodiversity for
a very proud
UNEP.
patron.
Thank you.
Nature is profoundly intelligent. And when we live in harmony and balance with nature, it is abundant and resilient.
Now we're only 3 years after the Biodiversity Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework, which sets the targets of what we need to do. And so we are trying to move the world to protecting by 2030, 30% of our nature, be it marine or be it terrestrial.
For the younger generation, they have never known anything else. They were born into a climate and biodiversity crisis.
And you know this as a mother, where the young generation are just seized with this issue of environment, climate, and protection.
It's their future.
It is their future.
Let us build a world where children don't grow up fearing the forces and loss of nature, but instead are given, like me, the chance to feel the nurturing embrace of it. Thank you.
We're so honored that you made the visit here, and we just cannot thank you enough for your voice and the way in which you really embody the fact that we have to protect our nature. Thank you so much, Your Majesty.
Thank you.